Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make a Korean style pasta. This is like the easiest pasta you're going to make, and it tastes so good as well. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken boiling water and I'm gonna place 2 cups of pasta into it. So you can take any shape of pasta, whatever the shape you like, you can add it. Some people like to add shells, some people like to add the curlier one. So it's completely up to you. After 5 to 10 minutes, you're gonna take one piece of pasta and check whether it's soft or not. As you can see, I'm gonna take 3 to 4 pastas and I'm gonna check whether it's tender or not. And these are completely tender. Now we're gonna stain it out and then we're gonna move towards the next part. After staining, we're gonna rinse it with some tap water and then we're going to move towards the next part. You can see after rinsing it with some tap water, we're going to set it aside and then we're going to move towards the masala part. Some masalas we're going to add in this pasta. So I have taken some garlic and I've chopped it quite well. I've taken like 1 tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic, and then I've taken 1 tablespoon of seasoned onions, 1.5 teaspoon salt. Salt is up to you, whatever the quantity you like to add, and with that half teaspoon black pepper and half teaspoon chili flakes, and then 1.5 tablespoon sesame seeds. You can also take one, it's up to you, and 1 tablespoon chili sauce. So you can add sesame seeds, up to you, and 1 tablespoon ketchup, and with that I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well. So before mixing all the ingredients, we're gonna add hot oil, like 3 tablespoons. Like I've hot it quite well on the stove, and then I'm gonna add it on this. I'm gonna mix it quite well, all the ingredients quite well. I'm going to add the pasta which I have boiled before. While I'm adding and mixing this pasta, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So we'll get back towards the recipe. I'm going to mix all the sauce into the pasta, and once it's completely mixed, we're going to serve it and it's ready to be eaten. So as you can see, the mixing is completely done and it's ready to be eaten. Now let's get towards serving it and serve it in front of your guests. They're absolutely going to like it. And if you don't have much time to make anything, make this recipe in just few minutes and eat it. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family so that they can get access to my videos and recipes as well. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe it. And if you have any query related to any recipe, comment down and I would be so happy to answer you on the first go. Thanks for watching. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.